In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Google Cloud Vision API in your Google Cloud project, so you can start using it for a variety of features like optical character recognition and label detection. Before we dive into the setup process, let's ensure you have everything you need to get started. First and foremost, you'll need a Google Cloud account. Make sure that you have a project ready, or are prepared to create one during this process. It's important to have billing enabled on your project because the Vision API usage is billable once you exceed the free tier. Also, setting up authentication credentials is essential. This can be done with an API key or, preferably for server-side applications, a service account. Lastly, make sure you have the necessary permissions to enable APIs on the project. Roles like Service Usage Admin should suffice. Now, let's get everything ready step by step. Start by creating or selecting your Google Cloud project. If you're at the Google Cloud console, navigate to the project selector. Here, you have the option to either pick from your existing projects or click on Create Project to begin anew. This sets the stage for everything else. Next, it's crucial to enable billing on your project. Billing ensures that your project is linked to an active account that can handle any usage costs you may incur while using the Vision API. Make sure this is set up correctly to avoid any interruptions in service. With billing in place, let's move on to enabling the Vision API itself. Head over to the APIs and Services section of the Cloud Console, then go into Library. Once there, search for Vision API, or simply type in vision.googleapis.com. Click on the API and hit Enable. Doing so activates the Vision API for your project, allowing it to process requests. Now, let's set up your authentication credentials. As mentioned earlier, you have two primary options: using an API key or setting up a service account. If you opt for the API key, go to APIs and Services, then Credentials, and click on Create Credentials, followed by selecting API key. For those of you who prefer service accounts, navigate to IAM and Admin, and then Service Accounts to create one. From here, generate a JSON key, which you'll use in your application. Additionally, in many client libraries, you'll need to set the Google Application Credentials environment variable to your JSON key path. Next, assign the necessary IAM roles. You'll need to grant the account or user calling the Vision API the appropriate roles, such as Roles, Vision, Vision User. If using a service account, ensure it has access to read any storage buckets if you're using images from Google Cloud Storage. Finally, it's time to test the API. You can use sample code, curl, or client libraries such as those for Python or Node.js to send an image request. Check that you receive the expected results, confirming that everything is correctly set up. Explore the quick starts available in the Vision documentation for detailed guidance on testing. With these steps completed, you are now ready to harness the power of Google Cloud Vision API. Enjoy exploring its many capabilities in your projects.